this video, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Phantom Wallet to Robinhood. So we're going to start from our Robinhood app, and in here we're going to select Receive, and in here we are going to click on Bitcoin. So right now we have a wallet address, and this is what we're going to copy to our clipboard, and now we are going to our Phantom Wallet app to make the transfer. So from our Phantom Wallet app, we're going to click on Send, and in here we're going to search for Bitcoin, and now we're going to select Bitcoin. Either if you have Taproot, you click on this one, and if you have native SegWit, you click on that one. I have Taproot, so I'm going to click on this. Now we click on Allow Paste, and now we are going to insert this wallet address that we have from Robinhood, and after that we click on Next, and now we can enter the amount of Bitcoin that we want to transfer. And let's say I want to transfer €1 of Bitcoin, then I'm going to click on Next, and now we need to click on Send to finalize the transfer. And as you can see, we have a network fee in here. We can either select if you want a slow transaction, an average transaction, or a fast transaction, and the fee is depending on this. So I'm just going with the average one, click on Save, and I'm going to click on Send. As you can see, the transaction is submitted, and the estimated transaction time is around 10 minutes. So you just have to wait for that, but the transaction is completed. And this is how you transfer Bitcoin from your Phantom wallet over to your Robinhood. So thank you guys for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more content.